have Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'm going to show you how to activate Hey Google feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings and go to the Google section. Settings for Google apps, search assistant and voice, Google Assistant, voice match, and here you can enable it. Then tap next, I agree, continue, and now you have this feature activated. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.